How to fix WhatsApp voice call problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can fix if you have a problem in your voice call on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first and foremost, make sure that you have allowed the microphone permissions for the WhatsApp in order to make your voice call. So to check that, you have to navigate to the app info page of WhatsApp. So head towards the application in your device, tap and hold on it, and now tap on app info. Once you land on your app info, tap on permissions. Now under permissions, make sure that you have allowed permission for the microphone. If not, tap on it and then tap on allow while using the application. So once you have done that, go back. Now check if that will help you make a voice call in WhatsApp or not. If still not, once you land on the app info page again, tap on storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. This will help you remove any of the glitches or junk files from the application. That will help you solve your problem. After you do that, you can close these settings, restart your device and check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still does not help you, then make sure that the application is up to date. The outdated application will not function properly. So to check that, open a Play Store in your device and then search for WhatsApp. If the application needs update, you will find update button. Simply tap on update, and once the update is complete, you can go back to WhatsApp and check whether your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you're not able to make a voice call in WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.